Alright, welcome to Friday Discussion Club. And Raj Verma will be coming up with his presentation on Narayan Murthy.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and my dear friends. I am Raj Verma. I am a student of the BSc IT. I would like to present my views on the founder of Infosys, N.R. Narayan Murthy. Contents: profile, brief introduction, early life, personal life, about Infosys or corporate profile, Murthy global study. Profile: born August 20, 1946, Mysore, India. Occupation: CEO of Infosys Technology, 1981 to 2022. Chairman of 22 to 2011. Chairman Emeritus 2011 onwards. Salary 15 Infosys. Net worth 1.4 billion in 2012. Spouse Sudhamurthy and children's two. Spouse. Brief introduction. Software engineer and the founder of Infosys Technology, consulting and IT service company based in India. He is currently the non-executive chairman of Infosys. He was the CEO of the company for 21 years, 1981-22. Brief introduction. After stepping down as a CEO in 22, he has broadened his scope of activities to social service as well, promoting India globally. His estimated net worth in 1.4 billion as of 2012. In 29, his lecture delivered around the world have been published as a book, A Better India, A Better World. Early life. Graduate in electrical engineer from NIE in 1967. Received his master degree from IIT Kanpur in 1969. His first position was at IIMA as the chief system programmer. His work on a time-sharing system, designed and implemented a basic interpreter of ECIL, Electronics Corporation of India Limited. After IIMA, then joined the Patni Computer System in Pune. Murthy meets his wife Sudha Murthy in Pune, an engineer working at a Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company Limited. In 1981, with an investment of 10,000, he founded Infosys. He served as the president of a National Association of Software and Service Companies in 1992-1994. Personal life. Sudha Murthy Kulkarni is an Indian social worker. He is known for philanthropic work through the Infosys Foundation. They have two children, Rohan and Akastha, accomplished authors. Her sister Jayashree Deshpande is a wife of entrepreneur. Corporate profile. Murthy served as a founder of Infosys for 21 years. At Infosys, is a horticulture design and implemented the global delivery model, which has become the foundation for the huge success in IT service outsourcing from India. Murthy served as an independent director on the board of the DBS Bank of Singapore. He also served as a director on the central board of the Reserve Bank of India. He is also independent director on the board of SSBC. He also serves on the boards of the Ford Foundation and UN Foundation. He is the chairman of the governing body of the International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore. Chairman of the governing body of the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Murthy retired from his executive position at Infosys on 20 August 26. However, he continues the non-executive chairman of the board. Murthy started a new venture capital fund called Caterman Venture Fund. With the money he got by selling 18 crore Infosys share worth the 174 crores. About Infosys. 1981, Narayan Murthy founded Infosys. In 1987, Infosys opened the first international office in USA. With the liberalization of Indian economics in 1990, Infosys grew rapidly. In 1993, the company came with its IPO. In 1995, Infosys set up development centers across cities in India, and in 1996, it set up its first office in Europe in Milton Keynes, UK. In 1999, Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on Nasdaq. In 26, Infosys has a turnover of more than 2 billion. Employees strength of the over 15,000. In 2022, Infosys was ranked number one in the best employers of the India 2012, survey conducted by Habit. Murthy Global Strategy. Global delivery models, producing where it is the most cost effective to produce and selling where it is the most profitable to sell, moving up the value chain, getting involved in a software development project at the earliest stage of its life cycle. PSPD model, predictability of revenues, sustainability of revenues, profitability, or and decision reason of invest well understood proven products, not just R&D. District for the competition, reason for success, given stakeholder bad news proactively and early. Leaders in the making, speed, imagination, and excellence. Awards. Howard Medal, American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Indian of the Year's Icon of India, NDTV. Triple E Honorable Membership, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Padma Shri, Government of India. Padma Bhushan, Government of India. Officer of the Legion of Honor, Government of France. Order of the British Empire, Government of United Kingdom. Achievement voted as the managed company of India, biggest exporters of software, first to follow the US generally accepted accounting principle before going off Nasdaq is listing in 1991. Champion corporate governance in India. Common fact between Steve and Murthy. Names like Narayan Murthy and Steve Jobs are not new to you. These are few of the people who have given a rational definition to the world of information technology. They have showed that thinking big is what every leader should be do. Narayan Murthy represent Infosys on the global map and Steve Jobs for Apple. They now stand as a youth icons. This is one of the common things that they share. Let us find out more of the common or similar things that they are shared. Engineers. Both Narayan Murthy and Steve Jobs are basically engineers. Murthy graduated with a degree in electrical engineering from the National Institute of Engineering, University of Mysore in 1967. After attending government school, he received his master degree from IIT Kanpur in 1969. Jobs attended Cupertino Junior High School and Homestead High School in Cupertino and California, and frequent after school lectured at a Hewlett Packard company. He was soon hired there and worked with Steve Wozniak as the summer career. Both the tech guru made the debates in the 1980s. Along the six other engineers, Murthy co-founded Infosys in 1981 in Pune with an initial capital of 10,000 rupees, which has borrowed from his wife Sudha Murthy. In late 1970s, Jobs with Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, Mike Markula had after design, developed and marketed one of the first commercial successful line of personal computer in the early 1980s. Jobs was among to the first commercial potential of Xerox PARC mouse, driving graphically user interface, which led to creation of the Macintosh. Designers. Narayan Murthy articulate design and implemented the global delivery model, which has become the foundation for the huge success in IT service outsourcing from India. Steve Jobs designed, developed, and marketed one of the first commercial successful lines of personal computer, the Apple series, with the help of his other members. CEO. Both Narayan Murthy and Steve Jobs served as the CEO of their respected companies and later resigned at their own base. Murthy served as the CEO of Infosys 21 years and was succeed and co-founder of Nandan Nilekani in 22. CEO, after losing a power struggle with her board directors, 1985, Job resigned from Apple and founded Next, a computer platform development company specialization in the higher education and business market. Apple's subsequent 1996 buyout of the Next brought Jobs back to the company, co-founded and served as its CEO of 1997 until 2011. Resignation. What was the common between the giants was their resignation. They resigned in the same month of the same year with a difference 4 days. NR Narayan Murthy stepped down as the chairman of Infosys on August 19, just a day before 65th birthday, bringing the curtains down of the 13th year of Studious inning. Steve resigned as a chief executive officer on Apple on August 20, naming Tim Cook as the next CEO of the Apple. Thank you for everyone for listening me. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Raj, what have you understood? You just made a presentation. Now you tell me what have you understood? What have you learned from the story of
I learned about biography of Narayan Murthy. I learned we cannot lose, we cannot feel, we cannot lose you don't have no you you focus on your goal and your leverage for the progress for the our topics, and you focus on the goal and what you ever about. Thank
Good afternoon, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Kushbu Kumari. I am from BCA. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak something in front of you all about N. Narayan Murthy. N.R. Narayan Murthy.
Yes, madam.
Biography of N.R. Narayan Murthy. This is the photo of N.R. Narayan Murthy. Bio of N.R. Narayan Murthy. Full name of N.R. Narayan Murthy is Nagvara Rama Roy Narayan Murthy. His profession is entrepreneurs, physical state and more. His height is in centimeter 163 centimeter, in meters 1.63 meter, in feet and inches 5 feet and 4 inches. Eye color black, hair colors salt and pepper. Personal life.
Salt and pepper.
Salt
P-E-P-P-E-R.
yes, ma'am. Life,
What do you
personal
mean by
life.
salt and pepper?
Ma'am, brown type
कुछ बाल सफेद हैं
और कुछ
काले हैं.
personal life. Date of birth 20 August 1946 Tuesday. Age as in 2019 73 years. Birthplace Sidhakal Ghat, Chikabolpur district in Karnataka. Zodiacs is sign Leo, nationality Indian, hometown Sidhikal Gad, Chikabalpur, district in Karnataka, school Sarda Vilas Boys High School, college and university, University of Missouri, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Educational qualifications: Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, MTech in Electrical Engineering, religion Hinduism, caste Brahman, hobbies reading books and listening to old Hindi and Kannada songs, relationships and more. Maternal status,
Marital status.
marital status, married, affairs and girlfriend, Sudha Murthy, author and co-founder of Infosys Foundation. Marriage date 10 February 1978. Family, wife Sudha Murthy. This is the pic of Sudha Murthy and N.R. Narayan Murthy. Children, son Rohan Murthy, founder of the Murthy Classical Library of India, and this is the pic of Rohan Murthy and his father N.R. Narayan Murthy. Daughter Akshita Murthy, Veneteur Capitalist. This is the picture of his family. Parent, father N. Rama Roy, teacher. He is a teacher. Mother Padmavatam Murthy. Siblings, he has 7 siblings. Money factor $2.47 billion. Some lesser known facts about N.R. Narayan Murthy. N.R. Narayan Murthy is the co-founder of Infosys, a multinational corporation of India. Murthy was born into a lower middle class family in a small village of Karnataka. Murthy's favorite subject in school were physics and maths. His father wanted him to be a civil servant, but Murthy wanted to pursue his career in engineering. He had cleared the IIT entrance exam but was not allowed to join as his father could not afford the fees. So he had to join a local engineering college. Since there were fewer computer engineering back then, he got a job offer from a number of firms and organizations such as ECII, TECO, Air India, and IIM Ahmedabad. Murthy chose the last one, that is IIM Ahmedabad, where he was paid rupees 800 a month. He worked on India's first time-sharing computer system. He has also designed and implemented a basic entrepreneur for Electronics Corporation of India Limited. Later, he started a company, Soft Drinks, but the company failed. Murthy met Sudha through a common friend, Parshvana in Pune. Murthy and Sudha become good friends, and after a few days, Murthy proposed her for marriage. While proposing, he said, "I want to tell you something. I am 5 feet 4 inch tall. I come from a lower middle class family. I can never become rich. You are beautiful, bright, intelligent, and you can get anyone you want. But will you marry me?" Sudha liked his honest and fixed a meeting to Murthy with her parents. Award honors achievements 2000 Padma Shri from the Government of India 2003 earns and Youngest Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2007 IEE East Weber Engineering Leadership Recognition by Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer 2007 Honorary Commander of the Order of the British Empire CBE by the Government of United Kingdom 2008 Padma Bhushan by the Government of India 2010 Officer of the Legion of Honor by by the Government of France 2011 NDTV Indian of the Year's Icon of India by NDTV 2013 The Asian Awards for Philanthropy of the Year. Note, he has many more aliquots of his name. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Same question to you is, you have read out something from the biography Narayan Murthy. What have you understood and what things you want to
Ma'am, I learned
use
that.
in your life?
Ma'am, I learned that never we lose and we should have patience for anything. Life will also give you a chance, and you want to, which you want, you can. And never listen everyone, but do what you think. That's all, ma'am.
Next. Good that you have taken out Azim Premji.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Swati Gupta. My topic is Azim Premji biography. He is Azim Premji of pictures. Yeah, नीचे. About Azim Premji. Azim Hasmi Premji is born on 24th July 1945. Azim Premji is one of the instantly recognizable faces in the Indian business industry. Apart from being a business tycoon, he is the chairman of Wipro and a
Well-known philanthropist. What is the meaning of philanthropist?
helping nature to other
Lover
persons.
of human beings.
Yes, sir.
Social person.
He is also unofficially regarded as the face of the information technology industry of India ever seen its inception. People under Premji's capable guideline and leadership has kept growing as a driver saving and is right now held as one of the leading companies in its domain in the countries. Premji was also supposedly wealthiest person in the country in the 6-year span of 1999 through 2005, according to Forces. The same globally reversed magazine also states that as of 2015, he is the fourth richest in India and 61st across the world. As of 2014,
61st.
61 first, yes, yes.
61st.
61st across the world. As 2014 May, his person wealth totally to 16.4 billion. His personal net worth was estimated at $19.1 billion in March 2015. During 2010, he was voted in Asia Week as one of the 20 most powerful men in the continent. Time magazine was twist enhanced his among the most influential 100 people in this world. First in 2004 and then in 2011. Premji holds 25% of the share of his company. Beside owning a private quality fund named Premji Investment, Premji invests in responsible for managing the personal investment portfolio of Premji, which is estimated to be worth $1 billion. Azim Premji's family. नोट के बारे में जानते हैं. Azim Premji was born in Mumbai on 24 July 1945. He is a Gujarati Muslim and his family is originally from Gujarat. His mother Muhammad Hasim Premji, his father Muhammad Hasim Premji was a famous businessman in his time and was also referred to as the rice king of Burma. When India was participated, Muhammad Ali Jihan, the founding father of Pakistan, had invested the Premji's father to stay over there. However, this request was turned down by Muhammad Premji. Azim Premji is married to Yasemin Premji and they has two sons, Tarku Prem and Rishad Premji. Rishad is currently working as the chief secretary officer for the IT, chief static officer of for the IT business activities of Wipro. Education of Azim Premji. Azim Premji obtained a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering from a Stanford University. This is also equal in important to graduate degree in engineering in India. Azim Premji's career. Azim Premji's career started in 1966 when he had to cut short his education at Stanford University upon receiving the news of his father's dismiss and come back home to take a chance of his father's company, which had been started in 1945. At that time, Wipro was working out of a small town in Maharashtra named Amalner and dealt in sunflower, basant, a cooking oil band, and 787, a laundry soap that was the byproduct of cooking oil production. Premji managed to diversify the company's offering by starting in the production of battery fat, various kind of lights and related products, pilots make from oil, available ingredients. The ingredients were what pronunciation? Available ingredients: hydraulic cylinders, hair soaps, and for babies,
Hydraulic cylinders.
hydraulic cylinders, hair care soaps, and toilets of babies. Thanks to the university capabilities, he was able to understand the potential of information technology in the 1980s. At that time, there was a scientific gap in the IT market in India when IBM was so the door. So Premji changed the name of the company to Wipro and start to make microcomputers so as to gain enter into the sector of high technology products. In the project, he collaborated with Senatal Computer Corporation and American organization. Very soon, he made a complete shift from fast-moving consumer goods to the technology industry. Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else is there? Okay, what have you learned from Azim Premji's story?
I learned from Azim Premji's story is never give up in your life. Continue working in your life and try to make best yourself. Because at the end, जब वो पढ़ाई कर रहे थे तो जिनके फादर के जाने के बाद उन्होंने बिजनेस संभालना शुरू किया था, तो उनकी उतना नॉलेज नहीं था, उन्होंने फिर भी उन्होंने कोशिश की, तो आज कंपनी यहाँ है. So that's the reason I learned this story.
Anybody else?